Turbocharger failures are a major concern in modern automotive engineering. But the good news is that 90% of these failures are completely preventable with proper understanding and maintenance. Turbochargers work by using exhaust gases to spin a turbine wheel at incredible speeds of up to 300,000 RPM. This turbine drives a compressor that forces more air into the engine, but this extreme operating environment makes them vulnerable to specific failure modes. There are 5 primary causes of turbocharger failure. First, oil starvation and contamination accounts for 40 to 50% of all failures. This includes insufficient oil flow, dirty oil acting as an abrasive, and oil coking from high temperatures. Second is heat-related damage, which causes thermal shock from rapid temperature changes and bearing seizure when excessive heat breaks down the oil film, protecting critical components. Third, foreign object damage, or FOD, accounts for 15 to 20% of failures. This includes debris entering through the air intake or exhaust side, as well as internal carbon deposits from fuel system issues. Fourth are boost control system failures, including dangerous overboost conditions from wastegate failures and underboost scenarios from vacuum leaks or actuator problems. Finally, improper installation and maintenance causes 25% of warranty turbo failures, often from incorrect oil line routing, using wrong gaskets, or improper torque specifications. Here we can see the devastating effects of oil starvation on turbocharger components. The bearing surfaces show severe wear and scoring from inadequate lubrication. These compressor wheels show various types of foreign object damage. Loose washers, bolts, shop towels, and brackets can all cause catastrophic damage to the delicate turbine blades spinning at extreme speeds. Understanding these failure modes is crucial because over 50% of new vehicles now have turbocharged engines. With proper maintenance, modern turbochargers can last 150,000 to 200,000 miles. However, replacement costs range from $1,500 to $4,000, including labor. The good news is that preventive maintenance provides an excellent return on investment, saving $8 for every dollar spent on proper care. Proper oil maintenance is the most critical factor in preventing turbocharger failure. Oil-related issues cause up to 50% of all turbo failures, making this your first line of defense. Follow manufacturer oil change intervals religiously. For turbocharged engines, this typically means every 5,000 to 7,500 miles using full synthetic oil grades like 0W20 or 5W30. Always allow 30 to 60 seconds of idle time before shutting down your engine. This cooling period prevents oil coking and ensures proper lubrication circulation to the turbocharger bearings. Heat damage is the second leading cause of turbo failure. Modern vehicles use timer-controlled cooling fans and integrated cooling circuits to manage the extreme temperatures that turbochargers generate. Timer-controlled cooling fans continue running after engine shutdown to dissipate heat. Integrated cooling circuits share engine coolant to maintain optimal operating temperatures and prevent thermal shock damage. Foreign object damage accounts for 15 to 20% of turbo failures. High-efficiency air filtration systems with over 99.5% efficiency ratings are your primary defense against debris entering the turbocharger. Replace air filters regularly and use only high-quality components. Aftermarket intake modifications show 3 times higher foreign object damage rates, so stick with original equipment specifications whenever possible. Proper installation and boost control are critical for turbocharger longevity. 25% of warranty failures are attributed to installation errors, making precise procedures essential. Follow original equipment manufacturer procedures exactly. Use proper torque specifications to prevent over-tightening damage. Modern electronic wastegate actuators and predictive diagnostics help prevent boost control failures. The return on investment for preventive maintenance is exceptional. Industry data shows that every dollar spent on proper turbo maintenance saves $8 in repair costs, making prevention the smart financial choice. Modern turbochargers can last 150,000 to 200,000 miles with proper care. Warranty claim rates have dropped 35% since 2020, proving that these prevention strategies work effectively. By implementing these 5 key strategies, proper oil maintenance, heat management, foreign object damage prevention, correct installation, and boost control, you can ensure your turbocharger provides reliable service throughout your vehicle's lifetime.